Good morning, children. Welcome to class 9th IIT Mathematics. The topic is ratios and proportions. In last class, we have discussed and we have solved problems on ratios, proportions. Now, in this class, we will continue the same problems. Now, so in yesterday's class, we have completed up to 15th problem. Now, today, the 16th question, that is the mean proportion of between 4 and 8 is 4 and 8 is 6. Then we have to check whether the mean proportion of 4 and 8 is 6 or not. Okay, so mean proportion of A and C formula is what? Under root of AC. So that's equal to, so here 4 and 6, that is under root of 4 into 6. Sorry, 4 into 8. So that's equal to 8 4 is 32. Square root of 32. Is it equal to 6? No. So hence it is false. Okay. Now the 17th question. So that is, if 7 3 by 4 is to 11 2 by 3 is equal to 93 is to 2x plus 10, then what is the value of x? So here the ratios are in mixed fractions, so I'll change it into improper fractions and I will solve them. So here the question is, if 7 is to 3 by 4, 7 into 3 by 4 is to 11, 2 by 3 is equal to 93 is to 2x plus 10, then find the value of x. So here I am going to take, the condition is product of means is equal to product of extremes, because they are equal to symbol, it is proportion. So product of means is equal to product of extremes. So that is, so product of means the inside terms, that is 11 into 2 by 3 into 93 is equal to 7 4 by 3 into 2x plus 10. Now change it into improper fractions. That's equal to 11 3 is 33. 33 plus 2 is 35 by 3 into 93 is equal to 7 3 is 21. 21 into 4 is 25 by 3 into 2x plus, wait, it is 7 3 by 4, sorry, wait, 7 4 is 28 plus 3 31 by 4 into 2x plus 10. Okay, so here cuttings, 3 1s are 3, 3 31s are, so that's equal to 35 into 31 is equal to 3 by 4 into 2x plus 10. 35 into 31 is equal to 31 by 4 into 2x plus 10. Children, next see, 31 into 35 is equal to 1085 is equal to 31 by 4 into, I am taking 2 common in this, so 2 common means x plus 5. See here, 2 into x is 2x, plus into plus is plus, 2 5 is 10. So 1085 is equal to 31, 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 31 by 2 into x plus 5. Now do the cross multiplication. 1085 into 2 is equal to 31 into x is 31x plus 31 5 is 5 1s are 5, 5 3 is 15, 155. So 1085 into 2 is equal to 2170 2170 is equal to 31x plus 155. Now I'm taking 155 to the left side. Then that's equal to 2170 minus 155 is equal to 31x. So 2170 minus 155 is equal to 2015 is equal to 31x. Now x is equal to 2015 by 31. So the answer is 65. Okay. So 31 ones are 31, 65 is up. That's equal to 65. So therefore x is equal to 65. They asked us to find the value of x. See here. 7 3 by 4 is to 11 2 by 3 is equal to 93 is to 2x plus 10. So here this is equal symbol. That means these two ratios are equal to these two ratios. Here I am going to use the formula, that is product of means is equal to product of extremes. That means these are called means and these are called extremes. Okay. 11 2 by 3 into 93 is equal to 7 3 by 4 into 2x plus 10. So here I am changing these improper fraction, mixed fractions into improper fraction, that is that 33 plus 2, 35 by 3 into 93 is equal to 31 by 4 into 2x plus 10. So 3 ones are 3, 30 ones are, that is 35 into 31 is equal to 35 into 31 is equal to 31 by 4 into 2x plus 10. So 31 into 35 is equal to 1085 divided by 31 by 4. I am taking these 2 common. So that is 2 common means x plus 5. 1085 is equal to 31 by 2 into x plus 5. 1085 into, I am taking this 2 to left side, that is into 2. So 1085 into 2 is equal to 31x plus 155. 1085 into 2 is 2170 is equal to 31x plus 155. I am taking 155 to left side, that is minus 2170 minus 155 is equal to 31x. 31x is equal to 215 after subtraction. X is equal to 215 by 31. 31 ones are 31, 65 is up. Therefore x is equal to 65. So this is the question. And we have solved the answer. Children, next question, that is 18th one. If x is to y is equal to 5 is to 6 and y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7, then I have to find the value of x is to z. Okay. So here x is to y is equal to 5 is to 6 and y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. So I have to make them equal. That means y terms should be equal. Then only I will get the value. So here x is to y is equal to 5 is to 6. Okay. The same way I need to get 6 here. Then how much I have to multiply to get y is to 6 here? So that is y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. Then I am going to multiply with this, that is I need to get 6 value here. Then I am going to multiply with 2. That is y is to z is equal to 2 into 3 is to 7 into 3. That's equal to 6 is to 21. Now see, x is to y is equal to 5 is to 6 and y is to z is equal to 6 is to 21. Okay. So therefore x is to y is to z is equal to 5 is to 6 is to 21. Now I have to calculate the value of x is to z. That's equal to 5 is to 21. This is the answer. Next question. Children, the next question, that is 19th one. If a is to b is equal to 2 is to 3, then I have to find the value of 3a minus b is to 2a plus 3b. So here A is to B value is given 2 is to 3. Then I have to find the value of 3A minus B is equal to 2A plus 3B. So here first I am taking A is to B. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Now A by B is equal to 2 by 3. Then that implies I am doing the cross multiplication. A is equal to 2B by 3. Wherever A value is there, I am going to substitute this value. So I am taking that is 3A minus B is to 2A plus 3B is equal to 3A minus B by 2A plus 3B. Now wherever A is there, I am going to substitute the value of 2B by 3. Now that's equal to 3 into 2B by 3 minus B by 2 into 2B by 3 plus 3B. Okay. Now here 3 will be cancelled. So 2B minus B by 4B by 3 plus 3B. So indirectly it is by 1. Okay. So that's equal to 2B minus B by 1 total divided by, do the LCM here, 4B minus 9B by 3. Now I am going to do the reciprocal here, that is 2B minus B by 1 into 3 by 4B minus 9B. So 2B minus B is B into 3 by minus 5B. That's equal to 3B by minus 5B. Sorry, wait here. That is 13B. This is 13B. So BB cancel. That's equal to 3 by 13. That's equal to 3 is to 13. This is the answer. See here. Once again I am doing. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. A by B is equal to, I am changing it as 2 by 3. That means after doing cross multiplication, A equal to 2B by 3. Now I am going to substitute A value in this question, that is 3A minus B is to 2A plus 3B. I can change it into fractions like this. Then I am going to substitute here. Okay. So after simplification, I am getting the value 2B minus B by 1 is equal to 4B plus 9B by 3. 2B minus B by 1 into, I am doing the reciprocal here, 3 by 4B plus 9B. 2B minus B is B into 3 by 9 plus 4 is 13B. 3B by 13B is equal to 3 by 13. That ratio is 3 is to 13. Okay children. See children, question number 20. That is, if two numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 and when 7 is added to each, the ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Then find the numbers. So here, let the ratio be, I am taking it as, let ratio be x is to y. Okay. So to this, the two numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 4. That means two numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 4. And these two numbers, I am adding 7. Then I am going to get another ratio, that is 4 is to 5. Then what are the numbers? So here let ratio be x is to y. Therefore, and another given ratio is how much? Given ratio is equal to 3 is to 4. Now that implies 3x is to 4y. Okay. And to this ratio 7 is added. 7 is added to the ratio x is to y. Now that is x plus 7 is to y plus 7. Okay. Now to this x plus 7, when I am simplifying this, I am going to get the value of 4 is to 5. Okay. So now ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Okay, so therefore x plus 7 is to y plus 7 is equal to 4 is to 5. Now x plus 7 by y plus 7 is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, and here this one I am taking it as, and also first is x is to y is equal to 3 is to 4, no? So now I am taking x by y is equal to 3 by 4. Now do the cross multiplication, that is 4x is equal to 3y. I am simplifying this, 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is the first equation I am taking, and here this one I am going to simplify this. Do the cross multiplication and simplify, that is x plus 7 by y plus 7 is equal to 4 by 5. Now do the cross multiplication. 5 into x plus 7 is equal to 4 into y plus 7. 5x plus 7 pi is 35 is equal to 4y plus 28. So that is 5x minus plus 35 minus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. 5x minus 4y. I am writing all the variables at one place. 5x minus 4y plus 35 plus 20 minus 28 is 7. Plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now substitute the that means I have to simplify those any 1 and 2 equations. Okay. Now see, x term is 5 and whereas the x term is 4. So I am going to multiply 5 to equation 1 and 4 to equation 2 on both sides. Then automatically if I am multiplying 5 on both sides and 4 on both sides, then the value won't change. So first equation I am multiplying, that is 5 into 4x minus 3y is equal to 5 into 0. And second equation is 4 into 5x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 4 into 0. Now this value here how much value I am going to get? 5 4s are 20x minus 15y equal to 0, and here 20x minus 16y plus 7 equal to 0. Sorry, 7 4s are 28. Okay, 28 equal to 0. Now solve, that is subtract 2 from 1. Okay, this is the first equation and this will be the second. Subtract 2 or subtract 1 from 2. Equation 1 from 2. Equation 2 I am subtracting. So here I will get the value, that is second equation is 20x minus 16y plus 28 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. From second equation I am subtracting first equation, that is 20x minus 15y is equal to 0. This is the first equation. See, while subtracting we have to change the symbols, minus plus. So here constant is there, so plus 0 equal to 0. So here it is minus. Okay, so 20x cancel. Minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1y plus 28 is equal to 0. Y is equal to so minus y is equal to minus 28. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 28. Substitute this y value in any one equation. So I am substituting in first equation. Put y equal to 28 in equation 1. Now 4x minus 3 into 28 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 4x is equal to 28 into 3. Because minus I am taking to right side will be plus. X is equal to 28 into 3 by 4. 4 1s are 4 7s are. Then x is equal to 21. So they asked us to find the numbers. Therefore the numbers are 21, y value is 28. Now the ratio is equal to 21:28. So that means C. These are the numbers that we'll get. Okay, if 7 is added to both the numbers and the ratio becomes 4:5. Children, the next question, that is 21st question. What is the compound ratio of 6 1/2 is to 8 2/3 and 3 3/4 is to 5 1/3. Okay, find the compound ratio of 6 1/2 is to 8 2/3 and 3 3/4 is to 5 1/3. So the compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D is AC is to BD. That means now here A is to B and C is to D. That means I have to multiply AC and BD. Now here that's equal to 6 1/2 into C value is 3 3/4 is to 8 2/3 into 5 1/3. So here 13/2 into 12 plus 3 goes to 12 plus 3 is 15/4 is to 8 is 24 25 26 26/3 into 15 plus 1 16/3. Okay, so any more cuttings? No more cuttings. So 15 into 13, otherwise, so 13 into 15/8 is to 26 into 16/9. Now I am changing it into fractions, that is 13 into 15/8 total divided by 26 into 16/9. Now I am changing this. So 13 into 15/8 into 9 divided by 26 into 16. So no more cuttings. Okay, 13 into 15 equal to 195/8 into 9/26 into 16 equal to 416. Okay, next is that's equal to 195 into 9 by 8 into 416. That is 195 into 9 equal to 1755 by 8 into 416. 8 into 416 equal to 33/28. So this is the compound ratio, that's equal to 1755 is to 33/28 is the answer. Okay children, so in your textbook that answer is wrong, but this is the answer. Children, the next question, that is 23rd question. Find the fourth proportional if 22nd one, that is if x plus 2 3 3x minus 4 and 6 are in proportion, then find the value of x, that is x plus 2 3 3x minus 4 and 6 are in proportion. Then I have to find the value of x, that is x plus 2 is to 3 is equal to 3x minus 4 is to 6. They are in proportion. Now the formula is product of means is equal to product of extremes. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Okay, so that's equal to, that means here means product of means 3 into 3x plus 4 is equal to 6 into x plus 2. Now simplify it. 9x plus 4 is equal to 6x plus 12. 6 into x is 6x, plus into plus is plus, 6 2 is 12. Now I am going to take this plus 6x to left side and plus 4 to right side. That is 9x minus 6x is equal to 12 minus 4. 9x minus 6x is 3x is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. Then x is equal to 8 by 3. Sorry, wait children, wait. So here 3 4s are 12. So here it is 12. It will be 0. Then x is equal to 0 by 3. Then x is equal to 0. That is the answer. Children, thank you. We will continue in next class. Have a good day.